In the box, you'll find a routing template, installation instructions, user guide, the smart lock external and internal bodies, a Unity Induro mortice lock, the strike components, and a screw pack. 4 AA alkaline batteries are also included. If new rods and rod tips are required, these can be purchased separately. Remove the existing furniture and mortice lock. Use the routing template to check if additional routing is required. Measure the door thickness and select the appropriate length screws and spindle. To install the Yale Unity Slim Smart Lock, all you need is a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a tape measure. A clamp or tape may be useful to hold the lock in place. Install the Yale Unity Induro mortice lock. It is essential to use the mortice lock provided. This will ensure reliability, enhance security, and door sealing performance. Set the orientation of both handles by rotating the handle according to the door opening direction. To change the handle orientation, pull up on the handling tab while rotating the handle. The handle should move freely. For the external body, peel back the gasket to access the handling tab. Ensure the gasket spigots are firmly pushed back into place once handling is complete. Using a flathead screwdriver, remove the top and bottom battery covers. Feed the door position sensor through the lock faceplate hole and out through the internal side of the door. Push the door position sensor in firmly until it's flush with the faceplate. Place the spindle into the external body. Feed the spindle and cable through the door to the internal side. Clamp or tape the external body to the door. Plug the external body cable into the internal body, aligning the blue lines. Plug the door position sensor into the internal body, aligning the blue lines. Insert the spindle spring into the internal body spindle hole. Remove the clamp or tape. Push the excess cable length into the lock body and door stile so the cables are not pinched. Then mount the internal body by aligning the spigots to the holes in the door. Using a Phillips head screwdriver and the appropriate mounting screws, secure the internal and external bodies together. Test the lock operation by lifting and lowering the internal handle. Lifting the handle should activate multi-point locking by engaging the deadbolt and rods at the top and bottom of the door if installed. Lowering the handle should retract all locking points. The next step is to fit the strike. You can either install the steel strike and dust box provided, or install the door sensor magnet housing below the existing strike. Carefully align the magnet on the strike so it's positioned directly opposite the door position sensor, and fit the strike using screws suited to the door frame material. Insert the 4 AA batteries. Shut the door from the inside and test the lock by pushing down the handle. This should unlock the outside handle. Next, shut the door from the inside and lift the handle to activate multi-point locking. This will disconnect the outside handle, but the inside handle will always be unlocked, and reinstall the battery covers. To program the lock, watch these programming videos for step-by-step instructions.